Hey everybody, I'm Chef Tom with ATBBQ.com, and I'm super excited to be announcing the All Things BBQ 2018 Ultimate Holiday Giveaway. From October to December, we'll be choosing one lucky winner each month to receive some of our must-have outdoor cooking products, including a variety of our favorite tools, rubs, and sauces. December's grand prize package, valued at over $2,500, will include a Yoder Smoker's YS640 pellet grill on a competition cart just like the one you see here. Stay tuned each week as we roll out fantastic new recipes to help you improve your fall and holiday cooking. Now let's kick things off by taking a look at October's prize package. First, we have a set of three 16.5-inch grill grates, along with a GrillGrates GrateTool, GrateTongs, and GrateBrush. On the flavor front, we have a bottle of the Sweetwater Spice Trace Chili's Brine Concentrate, and a shaker of the Cattleman's Grill 8-second ride Carne Asada seasoning, the exact combo used in my go-to chicken wings recipe video. We're rounding out the October giveaway with the Fireboard Wireless Barbecue Thermometer Extreme Barbecue Edition. So head over to atbbq.com/UHG now to sign up and win. That's atbbq.com/UHG. And be sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for even more weekly recipes and future giveaways. All Things Barbecue, where barbecue legends are made.